So for the time to share, again, you guys are each going to have 30 seconds. For this one, though, the way we're going to do it is there's two different prompts. So black cards, I want you to answer when it's your turn. In your own words, what are some of the benefits of using functions? All right, black cards, that is your prompt. When that timer goes off and we switch, red cards, you're going to answer, what are some of the common errors when working with functions? Okay, so black cards, thinking on your answer. Red cards, thinking on your answer. I'll give you a little bit of think time. All right, and we're going to have our black cards sharing first. And your time starts now.
Benefits of using functions is that it allows your program to be more organized, and it helps minimize the amount of code you're using, so your program doesn't look very packed and doesn't have just a bunch of like extra code or like unnecessary code like laying around, and it's like cuts down the extraordinary amounts it could be.
Some of the common errors when working with functions is that when you're declaring a function, you might not put everything you want in that one function. So then when you go to call it, it won't function properly. And then other errors are when you're calling or declaring and you mistype it and you don't know what's wrong.